Okay, so porridge and cookies. Okay, so not my usual vacuum cleaner test. A strange thing happened today, which kind of involved vacuum and home entertainment. I was talking to a customer about TVs, and he mentioned that he was demonstrating the Bose 700 soundbar. It's like on a demo that you can just push buttons and have a listen to it. And the subwoofer, the 700 module 700 subwoofer, was playing some music. It was Late Street Dive, and as the customer looked across to the sub, where this port is, it actually sucked up, he said a card, I thought he said like a sleeve or something, but it was basically a little bit of card, and so I waited till I finished work, and then I had a look and saw if there was any way of getting it out, because you'll notice from this, I'll play a bit of how the sound is. Okay, so as you can hear, it's rattling really badly, and I tried for a good 10 minutes, and then a colleague helped me for another probably 8-10 minutes, and we tried vacuuming, tried all sorts of things, and still can't get it out. I was figuring maybe there's different types of music I could try to play to get it out, or maybe running something out of phase if that's a possibility, so it pushes rather than pulls. But I suspect that when it's gone in and up through a tube, and now it's in a different chamber inside the sub. I mean, I don't know what they look like inside, but I suspect it probably has to be taken apart. I really thought I was going to get it out with the sellotape on the packing strap. But if anybody's got any ideas, I'd be very interested, rather than have to call out Bose to be able to take a bit of cardboard out of the speaker. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.
All right, mate.
Yeah.